Hey guys, it's Kareem from BigBellaDonna.com. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming today with a crochet hair haul. So I'm going to show them to you in random order. So what we have here is our first one, which is the Bechet Jerry Curl. This is the Brazilian Jerry Curl. Now this is not like the one that I've already reviewed on the channel, because if you remember that video, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. I said there was the same packaging, but the difference was one said Brazilian Jerry Curl and the other one just said like natural crochet loop or something like that. Plus the curl pattern is a little different. The other ones were bigger, these ones are a little tighter. So I'm very excited to try this because as you know, I've been on a bit of a Bechet kick. Keeping in line with that, the next Bechet hair that I have is the Ocean Wave. Now this is a really different pattern for me. I typically don't wear, I like tighter curls, but this winter I'm doing longer and looser waves. So this pretty much goes in line with that. So I decided to get the same curl pattern in a different brand. And this time I have the Ocean Wave in the KIMA brand. Now I really like KIMA hair. I've worn it twice and have reviewed it twice on the channel. Again, go look for them or I'll link them somewhere down in the description. And so I'm very excited to try another KIMA hair. So no matter how long you've been wearing crochet braids, you can't get away from Freecher's hair. Freecher's has such a wide selection of braiding hair that's used for crochet braids that you really can't get away from it. And I've reviewed several Freecher styles on the channel. This time I got the Aruba curl. I figured this was kind of close to the beach curl, right? You got the island theme going on. So I'm trying the Aruba curl. I usually try the Freecher's brand that have the more dry matte or natural finish, like a natural yaki. That's what I usually stick with for Freecher's because the other ones are just too shiny and yeah, not my flavor. And as I said, I was doing a bit of a compare and contrast, so I'm trying the same curl pattern in different brands. And with that, I have to have Caribbean up in here because Caribbean pretty much has been like, this will probably be my 5th or 6th review on the Caribbean style. And it's not like I don't want to try something else, but I really do like this line. So I'm pretty much trying as many styles as I can in the line. This is the Aruba curl in the Caribbean, and as you notice, you may notice it's shorter, and you may not be able to tell from the package, but the wave looks a little a little looser rather. It's a little looser than what the Aruba curl in Freecher's looks like. So it'll be very interesting to compare and contrast the two brands. And last but not least is a brand that I've actually been trying to try for a little bit ever since I put this hair in my mom's hair this summer. This is the Deep Wave from the Angels Braid collection, and that's a line from Motown Tress. I put the water wave in my mom's hair I think it was this fall, this fall, and I really liked the way that wave pattern looked in her hair. So I've been trying to get my hands on this brand, and I said I'm going to try the Deep Wave because again, I'm looking at different wave patterns this winter, so I'm going to try this out. This is a brand that I don't see often in beauty supply stores. There's only like 1 or 2 in my area that carry it, so I'm really interested in seeing how this works out. Okay, so this is 6 different hairstyles that you have coming up. That means 6 reviews coming up, and I'll be starting Crochet Thursdays on my channel, so you can look out for a crochet review or some kind of crochet hair haul or anything I'm talking about hair. It's going to be on Crochet Thursdays. That's it for today. Make sure you subscribe so you can get all the great features coming through on Big Bella Donna channel, and I will see you in the next video.